Hello, welcome to the pet room. Alright, I have got another power cable. Actually, I brought 3 down. Here is the idea. I'm going to plug in this pet over here, which has no circuit board. I just replaced the fuse in it, and I want to test the monitor. This is the one that was broken on the front. The bezel was smashed. It would be quite something if the monitor tube and everything was still okay. It would be something. Alright, so there is the power cable. So, this pet, as we know, works. And this one, I just replaced the fuse. So what I eventually want to do is run this cable over here. At this moment, I think I got to move the configuration. The first thing I want to do is just turn this on and see if there's anything violent that happens, like the fuse blows. Nope. It makes that sort of power supply sound. And of course, because there's nothing going on with the monitor, I don't see anything from the monitor. I did find, as I was moving it around, look, it's another piece of the bezel that is broken. I will get rid of that. There's nothing helpful with that. All right, turn this off. I'm going to turn this off. And then I'm going to try, and I suspect with some success, what's going on here. Oh. I will get these two close enough together. And essentially, these are identical machines. This one says 4032, this one says 8032. Except this one is somewhat smashed up. So, is that going to reach? I think. Do I know for sure? No. Not yet. But I think so. Alright. So, I'll get this open. And we'll see. Does this... Oh, it's close. But not quite there. So, we'll pull this up. Okay. It should fit. So, I take this off. I put this on. So the main power is still coming from this machine. The trouble I'm going to have, it may be, is actually reaching the power switch on the 4032. Let me just move this forward a bit. Okay, it has that nice feel that it's coming on. Can I get my hand in here? Not really. Let's see if I can tweak this just a little bit and still have room. It's not that snug yet. Maybe if I pull forward a little, but no, let the machine fall down. And, oh boy. Alright, maybe I can go around the back. Maybe I can't. Give me a second here. Ooh. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Ooh. Okay, power on. Ha! And, miracle of miracles, this monitor that has, or this pet that has the broken bezel, and it's obviously gone through various stages of hell. The monitor works. And it looks steady. It says Commodore Basic 4.0, 31,743 bytes free. And it's okay. So once again, parts are good. I'm going to shuffle this both of these ever so gently back into a better position. Ooh, I think that works. And now if I, hello, oh yeah, I don't think I can put the keyboard down. Oh yeah, now this one, it does have, yeah, I can't really close this, I don't think. Not in without doing bad things. And that's the whole thing, we don't want to do bad things. Ugh. You know what, I was going to do a whole thing to have it print stuff. I'm not going to bother. I know, I just want to leave it sit here to do its thing. It's funny, if you've had a pet, you know that when you turn on the power supply, you hear this little noise. I don't know how to describe it. Maybe I should try and record the sound. And it sounded good when I turned this thing on, so that was encouraging. Anyway, so broken pet, no circuit board, smashed up stuff. Power supply is good. Seems good anyway. I mean, it's got the thing up and the monitor is working. So I'm going to leave this to sit and kind of burn in a bit and make sure it still continues to be okay. And oh dear, perhaps there's a little dust around. This is the machine that was gross and disgusting and that I really cleaned up with a magic eraser, and like, there's always something that can be saved. In this case, I would bet the middle of the case, the keyboard, obviously the power supply, now the internals of the monitor. So it's all good, or it's getting good. So thanks for coming. Perhaps I'll do another kind of remote video to show what it is that I've done here, perhaps. Anyway, stay tuned. David Bradley from the Pet Room, signing off. Bye for now.